Cooking pasta isn't just about tossing some dry noodles into some boiling water. Y'all, there's a science to it. When you're cooking pasta, you need enough space in your pot to cook the pasta freely. Pasta needs space to grow. This large multi-pot allows the macaroni to circulate freely so it cooks evenly and doesn't clump. Also, you don't want gummy pasta. You don't want starchy pasta. So there has to be enough water around your pasta. Give it space. Right, I'm gonna save some pasta. I want you to see what it looks like later. All right. So once the pasta goes in there, just give it a stir. Let me tell you this. Is it stir on tip time? Do not put oil in your water. That's like a wire hanger moment, but I'm telling you, the reason you do not put oil in your pasta water is because the sauce will slide off the pasta. The pasta is literally meant to be at one with the pasta. I don't want it to overcook. When you're making pasta, you undercook it like 2 minutes less than the packaging. Even if you don't have an internal clock, you're gonna look at the pasta, it will look translucent. I'm gonna show you what that looks like when it's done. A watched pot doesn't boil, but this one does. I see you, Bubbles. So here you can already see that it is starting to boil. Look at this, I want you to see it. You see the difference? This is uncooked and this is cooked. It is translucent, it is soft. It's only been a couple minutes. It is done. Are you all ready for a big reveal? I've been waiting to show you this multi-pot. You've probably been asking yourself, what is multi about this pot? Hold the phone. Are you ready? So here we go. Out of the bath it goes. I love this thing. Normally you'd have to take it to the sink, you have to drain it, you need another apparatus, but this is all here. So I am actually going in my bowl, and if I need additional water, like if my sauce is thick, I go back into this pot, right? And that is how you make pasta.